It's time that you found a cookbook to match your spook. Introducing American Horror Cooking, the very first American Horror Story themed cookbook. Say goodbye to marshmallow ghosts and giving out packaged pretzels as party favors. Because this is not another children's Halloween cookbook. Instead, say hello to Dandy's bloody popcorn and Allie's phobic pastries. As an avid follower of American Horror Story, I've developed the most clever recipes catered to each season. And with these recipes, your next Halloween party is sure to be as horror-filled as you've been wishing for. With one standard edition and 7 special editions that are only sold in select states, you'll definitely want to keep a lookout because who knows, one may come your way. To purchase or to find out more about American Horror Cooking, you can visit americanhorrorcooking.wordpress.com or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. American Horror Cooking. Who knew Twisted could be this delicious?